Okay, we are replacing our wireless doorbell system. The old one, these doorbell things rusted out, and so they were no use anymore. So instead of trying to program a new one to match with the old chime box, I just got a whole set from Amazon for about 23 bucks, and it comes with 2 doorbells, a chime box, and the batteries for the doorbells, or you can do this double-sided tape, but I'm going to mount it to the outside of the door so it's more permanent. They came with the screws, so I will do that later. The chime box is right here. I removed the cover. So you just place the C batteries in here. There's 3 of them that I had to purchase. These doorbells, you can, to remove them or to take them apart, you place a flat head screwdriver right here where there is an area to push in, and this will pop off, okay? So we're going to place the battery in here. It says positive in the instructions. It says the positive is on the top side. So we will place the positive on the top here. Let's see. There you go. Let's put these in here. I'm just gonna test this out. Oh, I guess I should cover it. Try it out. I'm not gonna cover this one yet. I'm gonna just try out the chime. Ooh, it works. It works. Let's see if this one has a different chime. Okay. This is number 2. Same thing. Let's see if we can switch it. Let's see. Let's see what it says here. Volume and... Oh, that's pairing. Oh well, I guess it's gonna be the same time until I figure out how to change it up. Looks like a good deal, guys. All right, thank you. Bye.